Siggy understands that you want to personalize your shop by adding the images and videos you and your followers love. And here's how we add your images and videos to your Siggy shop. So tap on Siggy shop at the right bottom corner. Now tap on the cogwheel. Tap on shop pages. First, let me show you how the shop looks right now. So I've added some images and videos as an example. And here's how to add them. So we tap on home, and this is the list of widgets, so content elements, that I use to add images and videos to my shop to personalize it. And all of these widgets can be found by tapping on Add Widget, and there's a list of widgets that you can add. And I'm going to tell you what widgets I've added to add images and videos. So the first thing you want to do is add a hero image. So tap on hero image. So this is the image I have right now. So choose your image. Choose how much percentage of the page will be covered. So right now it is 100%, but let's say 50%. So now it is 50%. You can determine the text alignment on the image, so where the text will be on the page, so either on the left, center, or right side. You can determine if you want to fit the image. So let me show you what happens when we fit the image. By tapping on Fit the Image, it will make sure that 100% of the image is shown. As you can see, the image is also blended with the logo and menu because it is on the top. So let me show you how it looks without. Tap on Save. And because my background is white, it is not visible right now, but the menu is on top. Another thing you want to do in the hero image widget is typing your header. So this is basically your personal message and the subheader. You can customize the text by tapping on Customize, and this is where you can manage the size and the color of the text. You can also see top/bottom padding, and padding is the space inside something. So for instance, if you adjust the padding right now, let me show you what happens. Tap on Save. There will be more spacing, as you can see. So now let's show you how to create the Shop Now button. So tap on Action button, and this is where you can determine the text. So this text is Shop Now right now. The link URL. So the moment you tap on the button, it links to the product, the color and the background color. Also the shape. So squared, subtle, curved, or rounded. The text size, font, and the font style. You can also determine if you want a divider or not. Another thing I've added is an image carousel, which displays images in a carousel. This is the image carousel, and you can link these images to, for instance, a product or a collection. The image carousel is mainly for inspiration. Another thing I've added is the video widget. So I've linked it to the YouTube video. I've typed a header, a subheader, and determined the size and alignment of the video. Dimension and size is medium. The alignment on the page is left, and the max widget is 75% right now. We tap on widget properties. We can specify the width, background color, pattern, and margin. And margin and padding are the two most commonly used properties for spacing out elements. So a margin is the space outside something, whereas padding is the space inside something. I advise you to play around with it until you have the spacing that you prefer. You can also add a border if you like. If you don't like this, just select 0 pixels. And this is the video that we've just added to the shop. Now, let's take a look at the image carousel. So this basically displays images in a carousel. And this is mainly used for inspiration because these images can be clickable. So you could link it to either a product or a collection. So that is the image carousel. I tap on that. So you type the header, you select the text alignment, the image height, and how much images you want to be shown per page. So right now it's 2, but let's select 3. Auto scroll is also selected, which basically presents the images. It automatically slides. If you tap on add, you can add the images to the carousel. So for instance, add your image. And if you want to, you can also link it. So for instance, to a product or a collection. If you want to, you can also adjust the widget properties. You can also add images in a grid layout. So right now you can see 2 images below each other. But if you visit the desktop version, they will be next to each other because I've selected images in a grid and 2 per row. And this is how it looks. So now tap on images in grid layout. Determine how much images you want per row. I've selected 2. The max width, the image shape, and the image height. and you can link it if you like. And you can also add text below the image if you like. So now let me show you how to add an image with text. And this is how you create that. Tap on image with text, choose your image and edit the dimensions if you like. So you can select the alignment of the image to the left or the right side of the text. And on the mobile version, it will go below each other, but on the desktop version, it looks like this. Another thing you can do is add an image, and page linking is optional. You can also embed HTML if you like. So this is how it looks. You can just select your image, edit the dimensions, and navigate to a page or link. If you want to embed HTML, tap on embed text / buttons inside the image. So this is how you can add your images and videos to your shop.